Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just showing you a slow day in my home when I'm off on the summer days. So the kids are at home and I'm just going to show you what we do. We do some cleaning, indoor and outdoor, some schoolwork, and we may get in the pool and have a little fun. So first I'm going to take a little time to clean the kitchen a little bit, or this countertop at least, so I can get started on some pancakes for breakfast. During the summer months, we usually eat breakfast a little later, around 9:30, close to 10 sometimes. And today we're having pancakes and fruit. While the kids are finishing up their breakfast, I'm going to go to the living room and start prepping for our lesson plan today. So my son's teacher recommended this book I bought on Amazon last year called summer bridge workbooks. And I'm going to show you at the end of this clip what the book looks like. I highly recommend it. My son's teacher recommended it to us last year, and I'm using it also this year. So my son is younger, so he needs me a little bit more closer by to help him with his schoolwork. While he is working, you don't see it in the video or these clips, I am also going back and forth cleaning the kitchen as well. So when he has questions, he'll come get me and I'll sit and help him with those. All right, so I'm going to show my daughter how to be resourceful. I showed you in my previous video, I have this comforter that has been torn, and I'm going to use the cotton material inside to stuff some decorative pillows. I have my sweet pea here with me, and I'm going to show her how to do it so she can take over while I clean. All right. Come on, sweet pea. So, here's some cushion. Go get you some scissors. I'm just gonna rip. This will be actually kind of fun. Just rip.
It's not gonna be fun.
Go get some scissors. And look at all this cushion we're going to use. And also my son, he's here with us too.
Where are the scissors?
Look in some drawers.
I know.
Wait, go show her. Go ahead.
I found two.
So we're home. Summer break. We did a little homeschool.
Like that.
We took care of the dogs. We're gonna do this, take care of the chicks and the pool weeds. We're planning a swim party, so we need to get our yard together. So Marley, go get one with that already has cushion. And you're just gonna cut this cushion, rip it. Ooh, wait, it should be fun.
It's not.
Rip, 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 rip. And then it just rips so easily. Then we're gonna ball it up.
So you mean this is gonna be easy?
Yeah. Yes, Maddie. It's gonna be easy. What you're gonna do after this is gonna be hard. You're gonna be in the sun, honey. Stuff this one too. Just take and you just stuff it in there. So I thought that would be enough, but no, we need more. Just take. Just gonna.
So you're gonna break your own computer.
It's already broken. It keeps ripping. So we're gonna use what I would have thrown away for another project. It's called being resourceful. It's a very important skill to have. So when there's something that you think is trash, and if you're able to use it in another project or somewhere else, it's the best thing. You don't have to pay for any materials. You already have it. It makes you feel real good. This is good enough. So look, you may have to just keep hitting it, and now we have a pillow.
Get on with this video.
this should be fun. Just rip it.
Let's
Rip.
Rip.
Rip. And then cut it and stuff it.
That's just my neck.
Stuff that one. I'm gonna leave them to it. I am going to go clean. I have to do this. I have to do this. I'm not sure if you've seen Medea, Diary of a Mad Black Woman. That scene where Medea and her niece, Kimberly, went upstairs in her old house. She got kicked out of her house, and Medea was like, "Rip it! Rip it! Rip it! Rip it! Rip it! Rip it! Rip it!" I'm done. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you. I am Morgan. I am a full-time working mother, but I also take care of my home. That's my #1 priority. I enjoy posting content with me cleaning, decorating, gardening, and so much more. Again, I am a mother of 2 small children, a wife, and I enjoy posting content to inspire and motivate you in your day-to-day task in your home. We are coming to the end of the video. Here we're just outside clipping the dead leaves and stems off these flowers so the plant can just flourish and produce more flowers. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're new here or have not subscribed already, please subscribe.